massive air fleet. 120 fighter jets, including F-4 Phantom and A-4 Skyhawk aircraft, some of the most advanced planes America had at the time. But Egypt's radars were ready. The moment those planes moved, we detected them. Coordination with air defenses kicked in, and a plan to intercept was quickly put into motion. Egypt mobilized 62 available aircraft, as the rest were already engaged in deep operations over Sinai. Our jets were MiG-21 and Sukhoi 7, both Soviet-made. Dramatic. And despite being outmatched, enemy aircraft had 3 times the range. Radar power was 4 times stronger. Payloads were heavier. Electronic warfare systems